Hi children, good morning, and we have completed our CW of the kitchenette play, the poem. Okay children, now we go to see our next lesson, how maize came into this world. How maize came into this world. So maize is nothing but corn children. So, and this corn is eaten all over the world in various forms like popcorn, sweet corn, in boiled and adding something pepper, salt, right? And samosa also. So, in these various forms, we are enjoying eating maize or corn. Okay, children. And now, before going to our lesson, we see the meanings, children. First, we go for meanings. Okay, next. The first one is autumn. Autumn, the season after summer and before winter. Autumn is a season, children. You know the season, right? So, autumn is the season after the summer and before winter. Okay. Next, gladly. Gladly. Gladly means happily or willingly. Happily or willingly. And next, refreshed. Refreshed. Got new energy. Got new energy. And next, wild fruit. Wild fruit means a fruit growing in a natural state, not cultivated. A fruit growing in a natural state, not cultivated. We can say them as a native fruits like blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and we can say in Telugu what is it? Eetapallu, Vakkailu. So these are all our native fruits, children. They won't be cultivated. Okay. Okay. And next, snows. Snows. Snowfalls. Snowfalls is a verb, is a action, children. This one. Snow means we know that the frozen ice crystals falling in a light white flakes. That is snow. Okay, snows means action word. Snow falls. Next, offered. Offered. Present or gave. Present or gave. Next, sigh. Sigh means emit a long, deep breath expressing sadness or relief. Sigh means emit a long, deep, audible breath expressing sadness or relief. Sometimes we say, what is it? Shh. Yes, yeah. So that is called sigh, children. And next, took turns. Took turns. Did something alternatively. did something alternatively or alternately. Did something alternately. Yeah, sometimes we take shortcuts to reach our destiny, right? Taking shortcuts, so these are called took turns, we can say that. So did something alternately. Next, spring is nothing but a season after winter and before summer. Okay children, spring is also the season after the winter or before the summer. Okay, and this is a season which vegetation begins to appear. Okay. And next, arrived, reach or came, reach or came. So this is the word generally when we hear means when we reach a place, right, in our journey or at a particular stop or stage, right? So arrived means reached or came. Next, hunted. Hunted means searched for. Searched for. Sow. Plant or seed by scattering it on or in the earth. Sow means plant or seed by scattering it on or in the earth. Awaited children. Awaited. Waited for. Awaited means waited for. Okay. And next, by and by. By and by. Over a short period of time. Over a short period of time. Next, tassel. 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 A tuft of loosely hanging threads attached as a decoration. So many of the girls having these different kinds of hangings, no children, right? So likewise, okay, a tuft of loosely hanging threads attached as a decoration. We can see here the maize also, just they will freely hang. And next, cobs. Cob. Cob means the central woody part of maize to which the grains are attached. Cob. Cob means the central woody part of maize to which the grains are attached. And next, appeared. Appeared means became visible. That means we can see. Came into the sight. Okay, appeared means became visible, or we can say that came into sight. That means we can see them. Roasted. Roasted. Cooked by exposure to heat in an oven or over a fire. Okay, cooked by exposure to heat in an oven or over fire. Okay, children, these are all meanings of the new words from the lesson, how maize came into this world. So in the next class we see the lesson and take down all the meanings in your CW with neat handwriting, children. Okay, okay, children, and learn the meanings also. Learn the meanings with spellings, children. With spellings, learn all the meanings with spellings.